In this video, we're diving into the plus quantifier in regular expressions. The plus quantifier is denoted by the plus symbol, and it's used to match one or more occurrences of a particular pattern. In other words, it ensures that the preceding element appears at least once, but it can also appear multiple times consecutively. Here is an example pattern plus. Let's break down the basic syntax of the plus quantifier. The structure is quite simple. You have an element followed by the plus symbol. This means that the regular expression engine will look for one or more consecutive occurrences of that element. The plus quantifier matches one or more consecutive occurrences of the preceding element. Now, let's see a couple of simple examples to illustrate how the plus quantifier works. First, digit matching using \d+. This pattern matches one or more consecutive digits. For instance, it would match 1, 2, 2, or 3, 3, 3. Second, letter matching using a plus. This matches one or more consecutive lowercase a characters. So it would match a AAAA, and so on. Here is an example of the implementation of the plus quantifier using Python. First, import the regular expression module. Define your pattern, \d+. This pattern will search for all digits. Define your text. Now use findAll to find all the occurrences of the pattern in the text. Finally, print the matches. In the output, you can see that the matches are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's important to understand the matching behavior of the plus quantifier. By default, it follows what's known as greedy matching. This means it tries to match the longest possible sequence that satisfies the pattern. Additionally, the plus quantifier does not allow empty matches. It requires at least one occurrence of the preceding element to be considered a match. Let's explore some common use cases where the plus quantifier comes in handy. The first use case is word characters using \w+. This pattern is often used to extract complete words or identifiers from a text. It groups together consecutive alphanumeric characters and underscores. The second use case is whitespace using \s+. This is useful when you want to match any amount of consecutive spaces, tabs, or line breaks in a string. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.